If you want to know how I created this DIY hair mask that reduces hair fall and promotes healthy hair growth, so guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, the ingredients for this mask are straightforward and easy to find. So all you need is coconut oil, aloe vera, lemon and amla oil. However, if you don't have amla oil, don't worry, you can use amla powder or amla fruit instead. So if you're using amla fruit, you need to blend it and extract the juice to include in the mixture. So let's get into the process. So first thing I did was to prepare my aloe vera by carefully cutting off the spikes on both sides of the leaf to avoid any injuries. I then rinse it thoroughly to remove any dirt or reduce residue before extracting the gel inside. So this gel is packed with nutrients that nourishes and strengthens your hair. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, amino acids, and enzymes that nourishes your scalp, promote hair growth, and reduce dandruff. It also deeply hydrates and strengthens the hair, making it less prone to breakage. While coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft to reduce protein loss, deeply moisturizes and adds shines. It's especially great for repairing damaged hair and protecting it from further damage. Amla oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and essential fatty acid that strengthens hair follicles, reduces hair fall, and promotes thicker, healthier hair growth. If you don't have amla oil, you can substitute it with amla powder or amla fruit. So amla powder is equally nourishing, and if you are using the fruit, you will need to blend it and extract the juice. Okay, so lemon juice balances the scalp's pH level, reduces excess oil, and fights dandruff. Its vitamin C content strengthens hair follicles and enhances shine. This species of aloe vera is aloe cameroni, so that is why it is red. So anyways, I melted some coconut oil and added just a tablespoon of it. Then I included 2 tablespoons of amla oil. If you're using amla powder, mix it with a small amount of water to form a paste before adding it. If you're using amla fruit, blend it and extract the juice before adding it to the mix. So once all ingredients were ready, I combined them in a blender and blended them until the mixture was completely smooth and lump-free. To ensure a silky texture, I strained the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any residue that could stick to the hair. After that, I added the juice of half a lemon. This step is optional if you have a sensitive scalp, but I highly recommend it for its abilities to reduce dandruff and boost scalp health. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me at Ririwadinobi on Facebook and Instagram, also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you guys. About my advert, please guys, don't forget to not skip that advert. Please watch the advert to the end, guys. Thank you so much as you do so. Once everything was mixed, I poured the final product into an applicator bottle for easy application. Before applying the mask, I made sure my hair was properly detangled. This step is crucial to ensure even application and maximum absorption of the nutrients. So I sectioned my hair and applied the mask thoroughly from roots to the ends, taking the time to massage it into my scalp to improve blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Without wasting so much of your time, so once this mask was applied in my hair, I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes while using my hair steamer. So the steam helps to open up the hair follicles, allowing the mask to penetrate deeply. So if you don't have a steamer, you can use a plastic bag or a shower cap and let the mask sit for 35 to 40 minutes instead. So, and finally, what I did was to rinse out the mask using my favorite shampoo or conditioner. You can use any one you have, like a mild shampoo and conditioner. This mask will leave your hair feeling soft and hydrated and full of life. So it works wonders for brittle hair, reduces hair fall and promotes a healthy scalp. This is a key to a long, luscious hair growth. Okay, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you give this hair mask a try, let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.